In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync OneDrive with your PC. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be smoothly connecting your important files between your PC and OneDrive, making sure everything is securely backed up and easily accessible. To get started, let's focus on the OneDrive icon usually found on your taskbar, located at the bottom right corner of your screen. If you can't find it there, you might need to check by clicking the small upward arrow that shows more icons. Once you've spotted the OneDrive icon, go ahead and click on it. This will bring up a menu that provides you with some options related to your OneDrive account. Next, focus your attention on the gear icon, which typically represents the settings. Once you click on the gear icon, you'll see a drop-down menu. From this menu, select the option that says Settings. This will open a new window where you can access the OneDrive settings in detail. In the Settings window, direct yourself to the Sync and Backup tab. This section is crucial because it provides the tools you need to manage what you want to sync between your PC and OneDrive. Look for the option that says Manage Backup. By selecting this, you're opening up a dashboard that will show you a list of different folders available for syncing. Here's where you can take control. You'll see options for enabling the sync of various folders such as your desktop, documents, and pictures. It's a good idea to enable all folders that contain files you want to be backed up and synchronized. Simply check the boxes next to each folder you wish to sync. After you've made your selections, make sure to save these changes to make them effective. This is an important step because it confirms to OneDrive which folders you've opted to sync, allowing the process to begin automatically. Additionally, you can sync more than just these primary folders. If you have photos saved on your device that you'd like to keep secure, there's an option to sync your photos too. This is particularly useful for ensuring your memories are not lost and can be accessed anywhere. Similarly, for those of you who often take screenshots, you'll find an option to sync these as well, ensuring they're stored safely. Now that you know how to set up OneDrive to sync with your PC, you'll enjoy hassle-free access to your files whenever you need them. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful in getting you started with OneDrive syncing.